Hey, it's Kamela here from Creative Moms Decant. So today I'm going to show you how to do some reverse UV resin to make a keychain using my Cricut Explorer 3. Let's go!
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.
So just as so many of my other videos, you need UV resin, you need vinyl, and your acrylic blank, and then you need these brushes off to my left. I also have out an array of glitter, which is going to be essential for what we're doing today. So I am going to weed the rest of this lovely design out, and then we'll talk to you about getting it on the blank. So almost all acrylic blanks have a paper backing, so you're going to remove that. And then I like to clean these blanks with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I have a rubbing alcohol pad here that I'm just going to clean, and then of course make sure it's dry, and a little piece of transfer tape. And we are actually going to transfer this right on the blank and then cover it with UV resin. So I'm going to get this onto my blank exactly where I want it placed, and then I'll show you what we're doing to mix up some UV resin. So you can sand off the edges of the vinyl with a nail file and it works great. So I am going to mix up two colors of, well, yellow and gold here. I want a corn color. So I'm just going to kind of work this out and mix up my resin here. And sometimes when I'm mixing colors, I can definitely get too much glitter made. So the nice thing about the UV resin, which I'm using today, is it will keep. And I usually would mix in little medicine cups, which I highly recommend. I just am out and forgot to order them. All right, so I'm going to finish getting the color of corn that I want, and then we will get this on our acrylic blank. So I ran that through the light twice just to make sure it was nice and hard. So I definitely didn't have to worry about bumping it or, doing anything weird. So now I'm making up, I guess you kind of say a little color palette, but I am using a little bit of gold and then 2 shades of green, mostly my Christmas green, but I want some shading on the shucks of the corn. So I am going to rock this out and give you some music. We've almost got this reverse UV resin keychain done, and I am so excited. All right, so I'm going to protect this side or smooth it back out from the paint with just a clear coat over everything. I'm going to bring it to the edges. I'm going to do around my keychain hole. And also you can add a name or something like that to this one. And you're going to want to do it on the flip side. So check this out because the flip side is the front and you are going to be so excited to see this. So it's cure now, and I'm going to remove the paper backing, and I love the reveal. It's always so fun. This one turned out great. Thank you so much for joining. I can't wait to see what you do with flip designs. Likes and subscribes really help. Thank you. Have a joyful day, friends.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.